Did you know that as we age past 65, our body's need for specific nutrients increases while our ability to absorb them decreases? According to Dr. William Lee, carrots contain compounds that activate multiple health defense systems in aging adults. His research shows seniors who consume carotenoid-rich foods like carrots experience a 35% improvement in visual function compared to those with lower intake. Today, I'll reveal 4 extraordinary ways carrots specifically benefit seniors' health, including how these compounds become more critical as we age. Stay until the end because the most surprising benefit is one very few seniors know about, and it may significantly enhance your daily comfort and mobility. Let's get started. If you haven't already, please ring the bell and subscribe to ensure you never miss another personalized health tip. Type 1 in the comments if you like this video. If not, input 0 to tell me how I can improve. For remarkable benefits of carrots for seniors' health. 1. Beta-carotene for superior vision protection. The vibrant orange color of carrots comes from beta-carotene, a powerful precursor to vitamin A that protects aging eyes. Dr. Lee's research has identified this compound as a key activator of the body's angiogenesis defense system, which maintains healthy blood vessels in the retina. This is crucial as protective pigments in the macula naturally diminish with age. Beta-carotene works intelligently. Your body converts it to vitamin A only when needed, providing exactly what your visual system requires without the risks of vitamin A excess that can occur with supplements. It accumulates precisely in the macula and retina, functioning as a light-filtering shield that absorbs damaging blue light that would otherwise stress aging retinal cells. This translates to tangible benefits: reduced glare sensitivity when driving at night and better adaptation between light and dark environments. Long-term studies found seniors with the highest beta-carotene intake had a 40% lower risk of developing advanced macular degeneration. Just 3 medium carrots provide over 15 milligrams of beta-carotene, exceeding the daily amount associated with significant vision protection in clinical research. The investment is minimal, but the visual protection is substantial. 2. Comprehensive antioxidant protection. Carrots deliver an extraordinary antioxidant complex specifically suited to aging cells. In Eat to Beat Disease, Dr. Lee explains how falcarinol compounds in carrots activate DNA repair mechanisms, supporting our body's natural regenerative abilities. Beyond beta-carotene, carrots provide alpha-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, creating a multi-layered defense system against oxidative damage. This diverse antioxidant profile addresses multiple forms of cellular stress simultaneously. The compounds are fat-soluble, meaning they incorporate into cell membranes where they can most effectively protect delicate structures. This becomes increasingly vital after 65, when natural antioxidant production decreases by up to 30%. Research cited in Dr. Lee's studies demonstrates that these antioxidants specifically target free radicals most commonly produced in aging bodies. Even more remarkable is how they work synergistically, creating what scientists call a network effect, where the protective capacity exceeds what would be expected from each compound individually. These antioxidants accumulate in tissues with high metabolic activity like the brain, heart, and liver, exactly where seniors need enhanced protection against age-related damage. Regular consumption establishes a continuous antioxidant shield, with studies showing consistent intake maintains steady tissue levels better than sporadic high doses. 3. Immune system reinforcement. Carrots contain specialized immune-supporting compounds that address the specific challenges of an aging immune system. Dr. Lee's research has identified several compounds that enhance natural killer cell activity, the frontline defenders that become less efficient with age. Studies from his laboratory showed regular carotenoid consumption increased NK cell activity by up to 35% in adults over 65, helping restore function to levels closer to those of younger adults. The vitamin A precursors also support the maintenance of mucosal barriers, your first line of defense in the respiratory and digestive tracts. This is especially crucial for seniors, as these protective surfaces naturally thin with age. Additionally, carrots contain unique fiber compounds that function as prebiotics, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria that play an increasingly important role in immune regulation as we age. The carotenoids have been shown to reduce inflammatory markers commonly elevated in seniors, helping maintain appropriate immune responses rather than chronic inflammation. Perhaps most valuable is how carrots support respiratory immunity specifically. Research demonstrates that regular carotenoid consumption is associated with improved lung function and reduced frequency of respiratory infections, a significant benefit for older adults for whom respiratory illnesses pose greater risks. 4. Joint and mobility support. Carrots contain compounds that provide remarkable support for aging joints and movement, a benefit highlighted in Dr. Lee's research on food as medicine. His studies show that the unique combination of antioxidants and phytonutrients directly addresses inflammatory processes that contribute to joint discomfort. The alpha and beta-carotene accumulate in joint tissues, where they help neutralize free radicals that damage cartilage and accelerate joint aging. Research referenced in Eat to Beat Disease shows consistent carotenoid consumption is associated with lower levels of inflammatory markers specifically linked to joint discomfort. For many seniors, this means more comfortable movement throughout the day and less morning stiffness. Carrots also contain calcium pectate, a unique soluble fiber that binds to excess uric acid and helps remove it from the body. This natural detoxification support is particularly valuable for maintaining comfortable joint function and mobility. What makes this benefit especially practical is how quickly it can be noticed. While some nutritional benefits take months to become apparent, many seniors report improved joint comfort within weeks of adding carrots to their regular diet. How to maximize carrot benefits for seniors. Optimal preparation methods. Lightly cook carrots to increase beta-carotene bioavailability by breaking down cellular walls. Steaming for 5 to 7 minutes preserves nutrients while enhancing absorption. Add a small amount of healthy fat, such as olive oil or avocado, to improve the absorption of fat-soluble carotenoids by up to 400%. Try carrot juice for concentrated nutrients in an easily digestible form, particularly beneficial for seniors with dental issues or diminished digestive capacity. Use frozen carrots when fresh aren't available. They maintain nearly identical nutritional profiles, offering convenience without compromise. Ideal serving sizes and frequency. For optimal benefits, consume half a cup of cooked carrots or 1 cup of raw carrots at least 3 to 4 times weekly. This provides the consistent intake associated with the most significant benefits in clinical research. Dividing carrot consumption throughout the week is more beneficial than consuming larger amounts less frequently. This creates steady tissue levels of carotenoids rather than temporary spikes. Even smaller portions provide meaningful benefits. Just a quarter cup of cooked carrots daily delivers enough carotenoids to significantly support visual function and immune response in adults over 65. Creative ways to incorporate carrots. Morning carrot muffins made with whole grains provide sustained energy while delivering vision-supporting nutrients. Afternoon carrot hummus serves as both a satisfying snack and vision-supporting food. Evening carrot soup with ginger offers warming comfort with enhanced anti-inflammatory benefits. Replace half the sugar in baking recipes with finely grated carrots to reduce refined sugar while adding nutrients and natural sweetness. Blend carrots into smoothies with berries to create a complete antioxidant profile addressing multiple aspects of cellular aging. Conclusion. As Dr. William Lee's pioneering research demonstrates, the humble carrot contains compounds perfectly suited to the changing needs of seniors. Beta-carotene protects aging eyes and converts to vitamin A precisely when needed. The diverse antioxidant complex shields cells from oxidative stress. Immune-supporting nutrients address the specific challenges of an aging immune system. And the mobility-enhancing compounds directly impact daily comfort and quality of life. Each benefit builds on the next, creating a comprehensive approach to senior wellness through one simple, accessible food. The vision protection preserves independence. The cellular defense maintains vitality. The immune support enhances resilience. And the joint benefits support active engagement with life's meaningful activities. As Dr. Lee's research shows, aging well is about recognizing the extraordinary value in simple, time tested foods like carrots. It's choosing evidence over hype, consistency over complexity, and balanced nutrition over isolated approaches. Embrace nutritional choices that protect the future you're creating. As demonstrated in Eat to Beat Disease, there is tremendous potential for wellness as you age through thoughtful, personalized nutrition that supports your specific needs as a senior. I would be delighted to hear from you. Share one way you plan to incorporate more carrots into your weekly routine. If this video was enjoyable, please leave a comment with one. If not, feel free to use 0. Your opinions are very important to us. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate you watching and hope you enjoy supporting your health as you see fit.